चैलेंजेस तो हर चीज़ में होते हैं, बट आई थिंक हर हर साल हम लोग डेवलप करते हैं एक प्लेटफॉर्म में। अब नए नए टेक्नोलॉजी आते हैं। जो पहले क्या था, कॉस्ट वाज वन ऑफ द बिग चैलेंज। तो द इक्विपमेंट बहुत हाई कॉस्ट था, बट नाउ विद द टेक्नोलॉजीज कमिंग इन एंड इट इज गेटिंग मोर एंड मोर अफोर्डेबल। अभी जो पहले जो सीसीटीवी के आपके जो ये होते थे, उसका जो स्टोरेज कॉस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा था, तो स्टोरेज क्लाउड की वजह से और चीप हो गया है। आई थिंक दो चैलेंजेस आर गेटिंग एड्रेस व्हेन वी शोकेस दिस इवेंट ईयर ऑन ईयर। ये 18 साल से ये एग्जीबिशन हो रही है, तो every year we have been able to address the industry के जो challenges है ये शो से।
Media briefing. We have Shri Dinesh Kumar Gupta ji, who is IPS Additional CP, Traffic, Delhi Police. Then we have Shri Suhashish Chaudhary, who is IPS Chief Security Commissioner, EMRC. We have Shri Akhilesh Srivastava, IT Advisor, ITDA, Government of Uttarakhand and President IPS India. We have Shri Naveen K. Bansal, Additional Director General, CPWD, Government of India. Shri Alok Tiwari, Managing Director, National Informatics Center, Services Incorporated, Ministry of Electronics and IT. And of course, we have Mr. Shiv Charanji, who is representing APSA, our partner association for IFSEC, and my colleague Prashant Jain, who is Senior Group Director at Info Markets for the Security and Safety Portfolio. So just to talk about this event, I'll introduce speak something about the event, about this sector. Then I'll pass on the mic to each of the speakers to speak about how they're associated with this event or with this sector. And then we'll open the floor for questions. So this is the 18th edition of IFSEC India. This started in a very small manner, at a very small show. There are 50 exhibitors. So this year, more than 350 brands. This is the largest ever IFSEC show. This is the South Asia's largest commercial security show. Over here, what you will see is everything and anything to do with commercial security, which will be access controls, biometrics, video surveillance, and every technology that is there. So the entire purpose of this fair is to showcase this new technologies that are coming in. Now AI is playing a big role out here. So you'll see a lot of AI-driven technologies which are being showcased on the floor. This industry is a very huge industry. At the moment, electronic security industry is expected to be 100,000 crore industry. And we are very happy at IFSEC we have played a catalyzing role to be a part of this. As I said, this year with 350 plus brands, we are expecting 16,000 plus trade professionals, industry professionals attending this event over the next 3 days. This event has a lot of different things. We have right from the startup pavilion to a focus on drones. We are focused on cyber security. So a lot of elements which we have added this year. We are also today evening doing a very important event which is again this edition. We accolade all the performers of this industry. It's like India Awards where the performers, some innovators and achievers of this industry. We have also Mr. Ashish Dakanji who is joining us. He is awarded today evening. So lots happening. In the conference we have exciting sessions which are going to be talking about the future of security, challenges and how to address them. And 50 plus eminent speakers across the world are speaking over the next 3 days. So lots happening 3 days. Over the 3 days I have expert speakers out here with me. I'll pass on the mic to each one of them so that they can introduce and talk about this sector. Thank you.
Thank you. As I'm introduced, I'm Dinesh Kumar Gupta, I'm Additional Commissioner in Delhi Police. I'm handling the traffic unit. We have had a very good session. We have discussed about security gadgets which are being developed by these several companies which can help the common people or other group of people and the law enforcement agencies also. So I emphasized on the things that the gadgets should be made for helping the policing, traffic policing also if possible. We are also using a lot of gadgets for managing the traffic in Delhi, but still more is required. For normal policing also, as the things are going very fast, cyber crimes are taking place at a very high speed. So for that we have to be counter-checked and we have to be very much updated with the latest gadgets. So I requested to reflect that the company should also work and have a coordination with the other agencies also to help the people and the society in general. Thank you. Any question?
We'll ask the questions.
Good morning to all. This is a very great initiative which has been, I think it's no longer an initiative, it is now tradition that they have said. Like I said, like they have mentioned, there were 350 different companies are there. Now, I feel that cyber security and security per se, it is a very important thing because these are very difficult times that we are living in, very difficult neighborhood that we are living in, and it is very important that we are able to spend every rupee that we have in our budget for security in a very judicious manner, and this platform helps us to take that very informed decision, very intelligent decision, because they bring all the different companies as well as all the different experts together on one platform, and that would really help us and all the users of technology to take very informed decision and a very optimum allocation of budget. Thank you very much.
This is Alok Tiwari, Managing Director at Nixi. Previously, I was in NIC and looking after the Government of India's cyber security vertical as such. So, for government, cyber security is very important. Recently, last year itself, Government of India has taken initiatives, and every ministry, department, states, UTs, now they have in place something called as CISO, and under him deputy CISOs are there. Previously, before 2024, these people are not there. Now these people are there to look into the cyber security things happening in those areas. And as far as this conference is concerned, several gadgets, instruments, all those things are displayed. I will suggest to IFSEC as well as to the industry people as well that they should also understand the guidelines and the standards, because those things are missing in this country since long. Because we are fond of Apple phone, we are fond of Apple laptop. Why we are fond of those things? Because they are maintaining some guidelines, some standards. So for India, we have something called as Bureau of Indian Standards. Okay, that Ministry of Department Consumer Affairs. That should have been plugged into this particular type of conference, so that people will understand that these people are making guidelines. Let us say for CP plus this camera, guidelines are there. For scanners, biometric scanners, we have guidelines. So these people should take those standards, guidelines to empower themselves and put that we can now fight with the international product as well. Otherwise, people will keep on going to the international products and we don't have any faith on the Indian products as such. So we should change our narrative and we should comply with the norms which India is fixing through BIS, through different STQC, BIS. These are the organizations which are having some norms and we have to follow norms. Then we can only compete with the international organizations. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Naveen Kumar Bansal, Additional Director General CPWD. In CPWD, we are the premier construction agency of Government of India. As we all know, no government, for that matter, any building can be said to be safe without any proper surveillance system, without any access control system. So, in today's era, we are living in the era of AI. So we have to integrate generative AI and all these algorithms with the surveillance system so that we can prevent the incidents before they happen, rather than reacting to them. So at CPWD, we are trying to integrate generative AI and access control and all these things in our buildings to make them safer. And naturally, we are a part of this construction industry and naturally aligned to IFSEC. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I welcome everybody here. Myself, Shivcharan Yadav, immediate past president of APSA, Asian Professional Security Association. This association is the oldest and the biggest association in our India. So we have all type of the security professionals in our association. And we are, since the beginning of the IPSEC, we introduced IPSEC and support till this year continuously. And it helps all our members, our society, our India, every way, in the way of the latest technology. Nowadays, now due to the STQC, we have more advantage that like Dakkan is there, honor of the Prama. So now they are manufacturing their own. CP Plus is also manufacturing, so more members are there. So now India is moving very high ahead in the way of all software, AI, and in all types of the technology. And now it's a good time that we are making it in Make in India. This is a very good platform that we are enjoying it with the state of the electronics, with the latest technology. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Akhil, stand for Intelligent Transport System.